Exactly at this time last year, I was sitting in my car crying in a Trader Joe's parking lot in America. I was so exhausted inside that I did not even have the little bit of energy to get out of the car and walk into the store. I woke up early every day to open my laptop, sent email after email, and went to sleep at night with extreme frustration. This endless rat race of our modern life actually leaves us completely empty inside. The pressure to always make more money, get bigger awards, and be more successful than everyone else slowly destroys us. And right during that darkest time, I found some small Japanese lifestyle habits. Honestly, I'm not sure if this works the same way for everyone, but these 6 common Japanese rules slowly brought me back from that depression and burnout. The first rule that saved me is Kaizen, which means continuous, very small improvements. We Americans always think you have to start a massive routine on the first day of the new year to change your life. But Kaizen says, instead of changing your whole life in one day, just improve by 1% every day. If you want to start exercising, there is no need to go to the gym and exhaust yourself and sweat. Just do a single push-up in your bedroom every morning, exactly 1. Because once you cross the barrier of starting, you will naturally find the motivation to keep going. This is actually a great way to trick our tired brains into getting work done. I learned another habit from the traditional Japanese tea ceremony. The rule is to start the day very clean and organize everything before you end the day. On the first day, I tried to clean the entire house. No, actually not the whole house. I only organized my reading desk. When you wake up in the morning, the messy environment around you subconsciously makes your mind even more scattered. If your work desk is clean, you will naturally feel very calm. And at the end of the day, put everything you used back in its exact place. This actually works as a wonderful gift to yourself for the next day. The third habit is named Hara Hachi Bu, which the people of Okinawa mainly follow when they eat. They stop eating when their stomach is 80% full, never making themselves tired by eating too much. But I started using this healthy rule not just for food, but for my office work. Never completely use up 100% of your energy at the office or on work in a single day. After working all day, carefully save at least 20% of your energy for your personal life. Because when you are stressed too much, when we cannot think straight at all, then this little bit of leftover energy will save you from a complete mental breakdown. The fourth rule might sound a bit weird the first time. Treat your everyday objects like a loved one. We normally slam our coffee mugs on the table in a rush or throw our mobile phones onto the bed. Think to yourself for a second, would you ever act so harshly with your loved one? Handling objects very gently wakes up our brain, brings it back to the present moment, and calms the mind. As a result, the fast-moving time around you magically seems to slow down a bit. Next comes wabi-sabi. This means finding true beauty right in the middle of life's imperfections. We always want to be perfect. We want to build a perfect career, a perfect body, or a perfect house. But this fake effort to be perfect shown by social media frustrates us the most. The wabi-sabi philosophy teaches us that nothing in this world is actually perfect or permanent. The small mistakes or flaws in your life are exactly what make you a truly beautiful person. So instead of putting such hard pressure on yourself all the time, learn to accept yourself exactly the way you are. And the very last rule, that is my favorite lesson in life. Kintsugi. In Japan, if a beautiful clay pot falls from your hands and breaks, they never throw it in the trash. They very carefully glue those broken pieces back together using gold coating so that the pot becomes much more beautiful, valuable, and unique than before. We all have some kind of breaking point, pain, or extreme failure in our lives. But a broken life does not mean everything is over. Instead, it is a big opportunity to become stronger again. There is nothing to hide about your life's scars from society. These are the real proof of your strength. These tiny rules will not do a fairy tale magic trick to wipe out all your life problems overnight. But little by little every day, they will help remove the deep exhaustion in your life and help you get back the lost control of your life again.